The one mistake 90% of seniors make with fruit is timing. Dr. Fung's autophagy protocol changes everything. What if I told you that 2 hours before you go to sleep tonight, 3 humble fruits sitting in your kitchen could quietly trigger one of the most powerful healing processes your body is capable of? We're talking about autophagy, your brain's built-in cleanup crew. And according to research inspired by the work of Dr. Jason Fung and fasting science, certain fruits can help flip that switch right before bed. Let's break this down before your next late-night snack. First, what is autophagy? Think of autophagy like your brain hiring a tiny janitorial army at midnight. These microscopic cleaners go room to room, or in this case, cell to cell, sweeping out damaged proteins, broken mitochondria, and cellular debris that builds up over time. For seniors especially, this process is critical. Declining autophagy has been linked to cognitive fog, memory loss, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So activating it isn't just a wellness trend. It's biological maintenance your aging brain desperately needs. Now, here's where the fruit comes in. Fruit number 1, kiwi. Kiwi is small, fuzzy, and absolutely loaded with serotonin precursors and antioxidants. Studies show that eating 2 kiwis about 2 hours before bed can improve sleep onset, sleep duration, and sleep quality. Why does this matter for autophagy? Because deep, restorative sleep, particularly during slow-wave and REM cycles, is when your brain's lymphatic system flushes out toxins and activates cellular repair. Better sleep equals more autophagy. It's that simple. Fruit number 2, tart cherries. Don't let their size fool you. Tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone your brain uses to signal nighttime repair mode. But here's the bonus. Tart cherries are also rich in quercetin, a polyphenol that has been shown in multiple studies to directly stimulate autophagy pathways. That's not a coincidence. That's nature handing you a double-decker sleep and repair ticket. Fruit number 3, blueberries. Ah yes, the humble blueberry. Don't scroll past this one just because it sounds basic. Blueberries contain pterostilbene and resveratrol-like compounds that cross the blood-brain barrier and have been shown to reduce oxidative stress in neurons. For seniors, this is gold. These compounds activate SIRT1, a longevity protein closely tied to autophagy regulation. Eating a handful of blueberries before bed is essentially whispering to your brain cells, hey, it's time to heal. The 2-hour window. Timing matters. You want to eat these fruits roughly 2 hours before sleep. This gives your body time to metabolize the beneficial compounds and begin lowering blood sugar levels, which is actually important. Eating right before bed keeps insulin elevated, and elevated insulin suppresses autophagy. You want your body in a low-insulin, repair-focused state when you enter deep sleep. Now, here's the practical problem most people don't think about. Even if you eat perfectly, poor sleep quality can sabotage everything. And one of the most overlooked sleep disruptors in seniors, magnesium deficiency. Up to 70% of older adults don't get enough magnesium, and low magnesium directly impairs sleep depth, the exact sleep stage where autophagy peaks. This is where I want to mention something genuinely useful. There's a highly rated magnesium glycinate supplement available on Amazon. It's the gentlest, most bioavailable form of magnesium, specifically designed to support deep sleep and neurological relaxation without the digestive drama of other forms. Think of it as the bouncer who helps your brain's nighttime janitorial crew actually get inside the building. Check the reviews. Seniors specifically rave about finally sleeping deeply again. The bottom line: kiwi, tart cherries, and blueberries, eaten 2 hours before bed, can gently activate your body's most powerful cellular healing system. Add magnesium glycinate into the mix, and you're not just sleeping. You're rebuilding. Your brain has been waiting for this. Tonight, let it heal. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.